Hey, I'm Sebastian. This is Don.
Hello.
We both like having our hands in our hips. It's authoritative. We're locally world famous chiropractors in Orange County, California.
Locally world famous.
Ricola.
Oh gosh.
And we're going to show you today how to modify or correct kettlebell swings if you're having lower back pain associated with it. And so this is the thing that a lot of people struggle with, especially when they're doing home workout programs. And they might or might not have had coaching, but the fact of the matter is it seems like a very easy exercise, but there's a lot of challenges that go along with it. And so we're not going to describe lower back pain here or what is causing it. We have other videos already created for that. So go on to the little link. I think Dawn did that one. I think you did that one, the lower back pain one. It's a good video. There's some suggestions of things to do in there, and it's very detailed. Probably more information than you've ever gotten from anybody, ever, anywhere about lower back pain. So go on to the channel, subscribe to it, and use that search function to find it. So we're going to try to stump each other as always with these things, and so we'll just get into the fun.
Cool.
Okay, so go ahead and stand back there. Let's reposition the camera to make sure we have a good swing. Okay, so Dawn decided to pick like a little baby kettlebell. Okay, good. And so she has issues already, and I think everybody can see what's going on here. If you can't, then we got some problems. Okay, so go ahead and go put the kettlebell down.
Okay.
And I want you to do that movement without the kettlebell. Okay, stay. We're going to take this stick and draw a line from her shoulders to her ankles. And basically, Dawn is creating a bow and arrow presentation here. Like you would make, like I could kill a rabbit with you, you know? And so why don't you just make yourself straight from here to here. There you go. Now you know what they call this? A plank.
Mm-hmm.
They call this a plank. So, can you squeeze your cheeks together? Good. Put your hands on your thighs. Push your hands into your thighs really hard. Squeeze and push, squeeze and push. So pushing there, squeezing there. Hold, 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 hold. Now, keep that same tension, but put your hands up. Right there. This is the end of your plank. Okay? So she was hyperextending too much in her plank. Are you getting tired?
Yeah, it's a lot of tension.
So relax. So it's an easy way to teach it. And I saw Dan John did a good suggestion of how to teach this too. Go here. Slap. Good. We're going to clap at the top. Good. Perfect. Good kettlebell swing. So all we got to do is put a weight in her hand now, and she'll probably do okay. So show me that kettlebell swing. It's already much better. There's other issues going on too, but for the most part, this probably feels much better on you anyways,
Mm-hmm.
right? She's not using her back so darn much. So let your back have a chance. Okay? My
Cool.
turn?
Mm-hmm.
I want to use this little guy too. It's challenging to show bad form with lots of weight. Okay? So.
Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. All right, so you'll see, so go ahead and do that movement again without the weight. Good. Pause. So you'll see here he's doing more of a squat position rather than a hinge. So the kettlebell is mainly a hinging pattern. He is squatting down and coming up, okay? So we're having to use a lot more than just our hips to get the kettlebell up. So Seb, instead what I want you to do, instead of squatting down, I want you to shoot your butt backwards till you hit this stick. Boom. There you go. So it's almost like he's trying to close a drawer behind him with his butt, okay? So he's using the hips, squeezing the glutes at the top to get the weight up, and then coming back down. Try it with the weight now. So no squatting, hinge back. Good, back. Awesome. So he's bringing the kettlebell right in between the legs here into the groin area and back up. It doesn't come down here between the knees.
There you go.
Cool.
Okay. What do you got?
Oh.
Is this the talking stick?
Yeah.
We didn't even use this in this, or you did use it.
I think of what I see sometimes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you see a lot of this, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. There's a, go ahead and relax.
Okay.
There's a turtle doing kettlebell swings over here. I feel like you're reminiscent of Super Mario Brothers. Okay, so go ahead and find that position again. I think without the bell. There you go, right there. So first off, we have also a rounded lumbar spine, rounded spine in general. Go ahead and be a peacock, pretty peacock. Show your tail feathers. Good, right there. So that's better. I still don't love it, but that's better in what we're looking at here. Good. Go ahead and stand again. Good. Same correction in regards to the standing one, because before you were doing this, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're just going to take that away. We're going to make her into a plank again. Now, from a swing perspective, go ahead and give me that. Show me the swing again. Okay. Soften your knees. There we go. That looks better. How does that feel?
Better.
Better? Okay. So she was locking her knees out pretty aggressively. Now the other thing we can add too is go ahead and relax for 1 second and turn towards the camera. This line between her knees represents the bottom of a triangle. I think we can all see the triangle above the line. And then the floor represents a second triangle. This top triangle, do not let this kettlebell go below the bottom of the triangle. Okay, now slowly, safely, for demonstration purposes, let the kettlebell drop below the triangle. Okay, and sounds a little bit more load on her back there. Okay, or we can use a Dan John one. I love Dan John stuff. And so go ahead and swing. Okay, I want you to try to attack your crotch. Attack your crotch. Go ahead and relax. And so you throw it through the tunnel. The top tunnel, not the big tunnel. Or attack the zipper. I don't know what he said. I think it was a crotch one, and then he might change it to zipper.
Makes you think for a second, but if you try to do it, then you'll end up doing it correctly. So I like that one. That's good.
Okay. So let's do one more maybe.
Okay.
Okay. We took all the easy ones already, so okay, how are we going to show this?
Okay, so the starting point.
Yeah, it's the first swing.
Okay, the starting point. Okay, so instead of take a step back a little bit, away from the kettlebell. Good. From there, what I want you to do is keep the pretty peacock position. Good. Reach out for the kettlebell. Good. Now, see in this position how he has started by reaching out first. His back is flat. Attack your crotch. And then use the hips. There you go. So the starting position should be out in front of you with a flat back. Pull it towards you. Now you have your hips to come forward instead of having the weight here and trying to figure out how to get it going.
Yeah, I think the first thing comes like with the first pendulum. I think of it like a pendulum too. It's like you already, if you're out, the pendulum kind of starts and it's like a zigzag. It's like zig and zag, and then you're in. But everyone kind of does this whole like thing, and then they finally start going. Right? I've seen this described as be a silverback gorilla.
There you go.
Grab the weight, tip it, stand up, and put it down. Yeah, the first rep is challenging for people.
Yeah, it is, especially with heavier weight.
Yeah, I like that. Okay.
All right, guys, where are we going from here?
Two. I think we're done with that.
Yeah. Well, okay. Basically, you don't need to try all of those cues. Try to just figure out which one works for you. So pick one, try it. Doesn't work, try something different. Just keep rewatching the video until you find one that works for you. Sometimes, though, if it doesn't help with your low back pain, maybe we always wants to mirror me. If it doesn't help with your low back pain, though, then maybe we need to regress you a little bit and figure out what is causing your low back pain in the first place. Okay, so maybe take these exercises away for a little bit. Okay, if we can make that your goal of introducing that back in, but we need to guide you down the route of healing first before we do some sort of movement like this, okay? So if you guys want some guidance on how to do that, you can come see us in person. We are open in Orange County, California. We also are doing virtual things at this time as well, so we can help coach you over a video chat. We have some online guides if you guys need help with some of your low back pain, and we have a free gift for you. It's not having to do with kettlebell swings, but it has a lot to do with low back pain and how to help improve this. So click on either the thing that popped up on the video already, or click on the link below in the description and take advantage of that free gift. We are here to help you. Reach out to us. Talk to you soon.